Hi team, this is Chris Abraham from GOHAcademy. Today I wanted to talk about part-whole relationships involving fractions, decimals, and percents. This is sort of that key idea that you're going to find in all the elementary math teacher certification exams and in elementary math in general. Working with fractions, decimals, and percents, representing these part-whole relationships in different ways, this is key. This is a nice diagram, a nice chart. It covers sort of those core fractions that you have to master. And what I like about this chart here is it has a lot of information organized so that we have this part-whole relationship of 1/2, and it shows us the decimal representation of 1/2 and the percent representation of 1/2, and an area model, a picture, 1/2 as a drawing. Now that's great. That means that in this drawing, we're seeing 4 different ways of representing this relationship of 1/2 as a fraction, decimal, percent, and picture. These are all good things for you to be able to see as well. So if we're dealing with 1/4, we think 1/4 is automatically 25% or 0.25. And once we have down these basics, then we can use variations of these basics. Definitely if you're an elementary school teacher, I would add in 1/8 to this list and 1/5 to this list. And let's see, is there any others? Let's just do one more. As an elementary school teacher out there, let's just add in 1/10 or 0.1 or 10%. And I'm not even going to try and do an area model for that one there. But you want to feel comfortable with these so that if you ever had a variation of one of these, like for example, let's say we had 2/5. Well, 2/5 is just like 1/5, except it's double. So if 1/5 is 0.2 or 20%, 2/5 is 0.4 or 40%. Feeling comfortable with once you have the base of now taking variations of that base, that's very, very, very important. Hi team, this is Chris Abraham from GOHAcademy. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, press the like button below or subscribe to our channel. We're going to do more of these videos to support teachers to prepare for their teacher certification exams. If you need additional help, check out a GOHAcademy workshop. Go to GOHacademy.com and you'll see the workshops and webinars and tutoring available for teachers that need additional support. All right, thanks so much. Have a wonderful day, team. Take care. Bye-bye.